Okay. All right, we're going to start where we had left off the last time that we were together. We were talking about the different types of reactions in section 8.3 and balancing equations of each type of reaction. So we had last covered in class the combination or synthesis reactions. We covered decomposition, which is the reverse of synthesis. We covered single replacement, and then we came to double replacement. So double replacement reactions, we have two types. Okay? We have precipitation reactions and neutralization reactions. Okay? In a double replacement reaction, the ions switch partners, the cation switch and the anion switch. So we have reactant AB with reactant CD. A and D are representative of the cation and the anion, and they combine together to form one product, AD, and BC, C representative of the cation, B representative of the anion, they form another product together. In a precipitation reaction, one of the products is a solid precipitate. So two aqueous solutions form a solid precipitate. So one of your products would be a solid. So if you have, for example, silver nitrate, silver nitrate's used to make that mirror-like finish on glass and reacts with an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. What you get is silver chloride as a product, which is a white solid, and then you have sodium nitrate in solution. Okay? Now if we were to look at this equation and see if it's balanced, we have one silver each on reactant and product side. We go now to the nitrate ion, one nitrate, one nitrate. So far so good with balancing. One sodium, one sodium. So far so good. One chloride, one chloride. Okay, so we lucked out with this one being balanced, okay? Let's look at another example of a precipitation reaction. And balancing an equation with that. Okay, let's take, okay, so example 2. Let's take our friend silver nitrate again. Let's react it with sodium chromate. Okay. You know what? This board's little. Example 2. Okay, so silver nitrate with sodium chromate will give us the product of silver chromate, and this is a red-brown precipitate. Looks like you're making blood when you do the reaction in actuality. The other product again is sodium nitrate. Okay, now in Chem 110 it's not expected that you write the products. You would be given the products and you would balance the equation on an exam. But let's check, is this equation balanced? We have one silver on the reactant side, and on the product side we have two silvers. Okay, well, it's not balanced, so let's put a coefficient of 2. Remember, to balance equations we can only use coefficients. We cannot use change the subscripts that are existing in the formulas. All right, well, that 2 applies to silver, and that 2 also applies to the nitrate ions. So we have 2 nitrate units on the reactant side, but on our product side, we only have 1 nitrate unit. So we need to use a coefficient of 2 to balance out the nitrates on the product side. Okay, so far 2 silver, 2 nitrates, 2 nitrates. Okay, now we go to the next ion. We have 2 sodiums on the reactant side. We go on the product side, we have 2 sodiums as well. The coefficient of 2 applies not only to nitrate, but it applies also to sodium. Okay? Now we go to the chromate ion. We have 1 chromate ion on the reactant side and 1 chromate ion on the product side, and our equation is balanced. Okay.